Well, hello YouTube. This is continuation of video from last time where we were talking about this machine. So right now we are going to change pasta on this CPU. This is the pasta I'm using. I think this one is okay. I used it 2.5 years ago. I also have this one, but this one is expired, golden one like. But it is done, it is expired, so I'm not going to use it. This is just in a case. So what is the model of this one? I don't know. Let me see. Some Heinzu, something like that. Yeah, Heinzu. I don't know. Okay, so let me try to do this. Okay. Hopefully you can see something. I'm going to use screwdriver at the moment, and then I will proceed with fingers, hopefully. And this one is a little bit problematic to reach. Let me see. Okay, so yeah, maybe this will work or maybe not. Well, I'm gonna try to do that with the fingers. Okay, yeah, this is boring, man, but I need to do it, and also probably wash this one. Yeah. Oh man, why I always, I have this one with magnet, but magnet is not working, I guess. So I'm gonna try to do it like a pro, bro, like a Chudman. Okay, Chudman. Just a second. Oh man, I don't know. I hate manual work, man. I never love it. Oh, there you go. So it's cool. Okay, after 205 years, this is the thing. Let me see. Oh, it's cool. So I don't know, do I need to wash this, man? Yeah, I'm gonna wash it just in case. And I'm gonna rub this one on the CPU a little bit with some thingy. To be honest, I don't know how much pasta I need to apply, but I'm gonna put, I don't know, let's say a lot of it on it, so who cares? Probably it will not conduct over some contacts or something to burn my precious CPU. Yep. So now I'm going to wash this thing. Basically I don't need to wash it, but when I'm here, just why not? It's cool. Look at this. After 2.5 years almost. It's cool, I think. Yeah, good stuff, man. This is good stuff. And honestly, I don't know what kind of processor is, like Xeon 2.9, 3.5, 3.2, something like that. Anyway, I'll be back in a second, and then we will apply pasta. The pasta. Okay, right, so I have cleaned this, wash it. It's cool, nothing special, it's a simple piece of equipment, and now I should apply pasta, I don't know, here or on a CPU. Let's put it on a CPU because there will be less mess. So just a second, where is the pasta? Okay, this is, will it go? Yeah, right, that's it. So I don't know basically how much pasta should I put on this one. So just a little bit, probably. I don't know if this is a good scenario, man. I don't like messing with the hardware. Should I press it with a finger or something? I don't know. Who cares? Well, I think this is enough. Yeah, probably. Well, this thing is almost empty, so I'm gonna flush it totally. So yeah, that's it. I don't care, man. Probably I will not burn stuff. Okay, so this one is done. There is a bunch of pasta on it or something. I'm not going to use this one that is expired, and now we are going to hopefully push this thing back. Is it like this or reverse? Oh, it's reverse. It's reverse. So now I need to pay attention. I hate cables, man. Okay, I need to be careful here. I told you I don't like to do stuff manually. Oh man, I hate magnet. Freaking magnet. No. Right, keep on rolling. Okay, first this one and then probably this one a little bit and the back one. Yeah. Okay. And then the final one. I think why this thing is not going in? Is it going in at all? Yeah, it is. Oh, it is up there totally. Okay. Okay. This one is cool. This one is cool too. And final one, maybe I'm going to use just hand here. Oh man, this is deep. It's deep as a national treasure. Let me check that. What's happening with this final one? Probably did I mess it something up? Let me check the depth of it. Yeah, by the depth of it, this is cool. Yeah, I think that's it. Well, guys and girls of Liverpool, as they say in a 51 State movie, I think that's it. So hopefully this thing will work without problems, and now I need to close this thing. But to do that I'm gonna need two hands. So yeah, this is pretty much end of this very instructional video. Well, maybe it will help someone, I don't know. It will be for historical purposes if I didn't put these screws correctly. And I hate these default power supply cables because they are totally leftovers from past power supply. This one is from Corsair TX650, but you know that from a last video. Okay guys, that's it. That's pretty much it. And wish me luck. See you in the next video.